welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to do global VAT or like GST compliance without a CPA in paddle. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So a SaaS business can handle global VAT and GST compliance without a CPA by using a merchant of record, that is MOR service like Paddle. So once you are in your Paddle account, as an MOR, Paddle is legally responsible for the businesses of this obligation. Your Paddle manages global VAT and GST for you by acting as a seller, automating your calculations, and handling your B2B and B2C. For sales to consumers, Paddle handles the tax collection and remittance, and for sales to businesses with a valid VAT number, a reverse charge is typically used. It also handles all your registration and filing and keeps up with the change. So these are some functions about how Paddle will do your global VAT and GST compliance without a CPA. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.